Those are the downlighters and center lights. Mbaya. Mara dari chaki kita ne light moro ganyi. Chaki negri chaki moki downlight. Sawa. Amia center light. Ano center light. Sawa. Hey Victor. That is another light. Those are the downlighters, young man. The different colors, what we call the multicolors. The downlighters carry several types of colors of the lights that you need, young man. So that is green color together the center light to give you the green. Then you can give me another light so that I can confirm with them. Give me another one. Center light together with the downlighters. That is downlighters now is producing the blue color. Center light is now producing the yellow color, yellowish color. Yeah, man. You can call, you can confirm with us. That's the cable that you see along the cable that you see next to the window. That is what we call the DSTV cable. Yeah, man. I'm here within the corridor. That is one color for the downlighters. This is the bedroom, the children. That is one color. Another one that I will show everything to the consumer. I'll go to the consumer. So this is the consumer's DB, distribution board. So everything has been controlled to the consumer. That's the line. This is the circuit of the lights. It is on. That is off. The lines of the socket, the lines of shower, and the lines of cooker. Each and every types of the line or types of the circuit has got this function within the consumer to go to the supply, which is the main line. Yeah, man. So put it on. You can put all these lights through connected this one directly. You want to connect. What are the yoko? Connect. One teach. Oh. Hey. You tell me so. Connect. So that is one of our engineers. You can connect the lights. Just connect the light directly so that you can confirm without connecting the switch, the token switch. So that's the light, warm lights, downlighters, the centers that we have not yet connected. So why this one is not working? Your man, it will work so that you can confirm here with you. Yeah, man. What's happening? Let's just move. That downlighter light is not working. We can check the problem. What's that? What's happening? Check. Check. So this is the line, this is the cooker line, this is the connector, cooker together with the connector just to reduce the amount of the current. It regulates amount of the current. This is the cooker line. If you put it on and off, it will work. This is the kitchen socket together with the switch, two-way switch. That is wireman. Wiremen